Well, hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be responding to get and post methods with Flask. So now in another video, we set up a basic Flask server and a root endpoint. And that root endpoint returned the text hello world, and by default responds to get requests. So now remember, there's multiple request methods like get, post, delete, etc. So now what if we want to use post instead of get? Well, then we're going to need to declare the method types that an endpoint responds to. So what we'll do is create another route. We're going to call that route posty. And that route is going to respond to both get and post requests. And what we're going to have to do is actually declare the methods that it responds to. So we'll go ahead and do that here. Alright, so we'll set one for get and another for post. Okay, so now we're going to define our method. And our method, what we're going to do is create like an if-else situation, right? And it's going to return the text get request if it responds to a get request, and post request if it responds to a post. So first we'll check the request method and say, is it equal to get? If so, return the text get request. And then we'll add an else, and if the request method is equal to post, it's going to return the text post request. Now we don't have to be fully specific because those are the only two methods it's going to respond to. That's why the if else is going to be okay here. Otherwise, you're going to get a 405 error, method not allowed, which we'll see very shortly here. Alright, so now we've got to import a request from Flask library, and we'll go ahead and start our server up. Alright, so we're going to send a get request to the posty endpoint, and we should get the text get request back. Very good. Alright, now let's try a post method to our root endpoint, which doesn't allow posts, and see what we get back. Alright, as we indicated, post to that is going to return a 405 method not allowed error. So now let's check posty and see if we get the right response, and there we do, post request. So very good, we're all set. We can respond to get and post from our Flask server. We'll go ahead and check out of here, close out. But I want to say thanks for watching, and feel free to check back for more content in the future. Thank you, and have a great day.